Hi, I'm Woody Page, and welcome to Woody's World for a Monday. And I'm just back from San Francisco, where the Broncos were up to no good. The season's over. It doesn't matter what they do in the last four games. That San Diego game on Christmas Eve will be meaningless. We talked about they're up to no good. Well, what is the bad aspect of the Denver Broncos? Let me list some of them. You already know them. The turnovers. Again, yesterday, 2 interceptions and 2 fumbles led to most of the problems that caused the defeat against the Oakland Raiders. What about injuries? Bad injuries to Nalen and Hamilton on the offensive line, to Travis Henry, who's been in and out of the lineup, and you go down the line with the running backs. Bad defense. The linebackers have been no help whatsoever during the course of the season, either with rushing the passers, the Broncos have only 23 sacks, or helping in the pass defense with the cornerbacks and the safeties. Bad special teams, and we saw it again yesterday with Martinez out of the lineup. The Broncos looked so awful in trying to return kickoffs. They couldn't even get back to the 20-yard line. You might as well let the ball bounce in the end zone. Bad special teams. Bad offense. Jay Cutler threw the 2 interceptions. He's been inconsistent. There have been games in which he looks like he could be a powerful force in the league, and then other games yesterday where he looked like he was just going through the motion. Bad head coaching. Mike Shanahan has made a lot of bad decisions this year, and that leads to another bad free agents. You start with Sam Adams, who's just been a slug in the middle, Jabba the Adams, and Simeon Rice, and you can go down the line. Daniel Graham really hasn't helped that much. Travis Henry, with all of his baggage, has not been the answer at running back, and you can talk about it over and over again. The Broncos have been bad this year. Can they turn it around this year? No, it's all over with. Can they turn it around? Yes. Next year, of course they can, because with free agents, but you can't make the same mistakes. And I said this in a chat room the other day. The Broncos have got to make a change in philosophy. Theirs is bad. They're signing free agents who are on the decline and are question marks, instead of signing veteran free agents that are on the rise, not on the decline. When you pick somebody like Sam Adams at the end of his career, you're not going to get much out of him. You've got to go out and have the kind of scouting staff and executive staff that can make decisions on younger players who are on the way up. Those are the guys you give the $20 million bonuses to. Mike Shanahan has tried the quick fix for years now, and it just hasn't worked. That's why the Broncos are bad. I'm Woody, and I'll see you in the sports pages, and I'll see you back here tomorrow.